Hey there, get ready to conquer any outdoor challenge with the TACAMO Fire Making Bundle, a complete 15-piece emergency fire kit paired with a dual-headed flameless electric arc lighter. This kit features a durable stainless steel design, including a 10x magnifying Fresnel lens for sunny days and a large ferro-rod with steel striker for wet or windy conditions. Inside, you'll find premium emergency tinder like waxed jute rope, fat wood sticks, waxed wood chips, and char cloth, plus a collapsible bellows to keep your fire burning strong. The TACAMO H2 plasma lighter offers a powerful dual-arc flameless torch that reaches 2,000 degrees and recharges easily via mini USB. Designed with reliability in mind, this lighter works in all weather and delivers endless usage cycles from its built-in rechargeable battery. As a veteran-owned brand, TACAMO guarantees lifetime satisfaction with a no-questions-asked refund policy. Stay prepared and safe with this versatile fire-making kit that has you covered in every survival situation. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.